Well, your Friday in the Southern Valley, anywhere from Lisbon all the way out towards Lakes Country, it's been soggy. In fact, some water standing on area roads down by the Dakota Magic Casino. Things drying up now, a little bit of a breeze out there. But all in all, those clouds and passing thunder showers kept things a little cooler and certainly more moist. Notice the cooler temperatures from Wahpeton and Gwinner all the way into Lakes Country right now. Detroit Lakes at 73. Fargo's at the high temperature for the day at 80 degrees. We were on the northern fringe of most of those showers, and the added cloud cover certainly kept us from warming up. By the way, if you were in the Carrington area, 90 your afternoon high temperature. Right now, 81 Roseau, 81 in Langdon. Here's a look at your current conditions out at Hector, 80 degrees. South wind at 9 miles per hour, 1 degree cooler for the Moorhead area at this hour. Showers and thunderstorms across central Minnesota and southwest Minnesota, exiting out of eastern parts of South Dakota. A lot of lightning. All of the severe weather this afternoon has been south of our viewing area, but still some rumbles of thunder here heading toward the Brainerd area. One severe storm just to the north of Wilmer. This is a windy one out there with some hail potential with it as well. For our neck of the woods, it has been soggy throughout Otter Tail County now over the last 3 to 4 hours, and passing showers and thunderstorms for those at the Sioux Pass Ranch area near the Detroit Lakes area. Frazee, Perham, still some remnant sprinkles left. No rumbles of thunder. Things look to be much quieter in Lakes Country here this evening, but that won't last forever. Again, there's Sioux Pass Ranch. Showers just exiting. The rest of the festivities there tonight should be, for the most part, pretty quiet. A lot of clear skies led to some sizzling temperatures. 102 degrees in Bismarck today. And we're watching this energy in the atmosphere out to the west that will be approaching and giving us a chance of thunderstorms. Here's how things shape up this evening, though. If you're out and about, I think the umbrellas are going to be not necessary for most of us. We can't rule out a spotty sprinkle, but by and large, we're going to see partly cloudy skies, a south wind that'll be robust down south, and temperatures slipping into the 70s. Overnight, though, watch what happens. I stopped this at 3 in the morning. And that energy from South Dakota makes it all the way out into the central part of the Dakotas. And between 3 and, say, 9 to 10 o'clock in the morning, we could have a couple of thunderstorms. The risk of severe from those pretty small. But this boundary in the atmosphere as we start out our Saturday will work its way through. Again, starting out the weekend on a mild note, 60s to near 70 for most. Look at all the clouds across Minnesota. This is where that boundary moves now as we head into the afternoon. With the heating of the day, any storms that do fire along that boundary could quickly become severe. Hottest weather out to the west. Red River and points west where we'll be 85 to 90, but fairly comfortable temperatures out in Lakes Country, including the Sioux Pass Ranch area and points out to the east. The severe risk should wane off as we go into the early overnight hours, although we could see some spotty thunder showers trailing the main activity. Slight risk of severe weather from the Red River Valley into central Minnesota, but I think the best risk will be off to our east. We'll keep you advised as any changes on that. Have your Valley News Live weather app handy. 68 when you're heading out the door. Kind of muggy out there. Winds from the south-southwest warming up to near 90 in Fargo. Can't rule out a morning round of thunder showers, a break in the activity, and then afternoon storms could be strong to severe as well, mainly out to the east. Cooler 70s out to the east, by the way, 85 to 90 in the eastern third of North Dakota as we begin our weekend on a summer-like note. Tiffany Qualley capturing a gorgeous shot here at Buffalo River State Park. Sunday looks a little quieter, and we'll all enjoy that. Temperature still summer-like out there as anybody heading outdoors will enjoy that. Next week, the summer-like weather continues. We're talking, woo-wee, 85 to 90 degrees. I'll play that one more time just because it looks so summer-like. There you go. Look at that, 95 to 96 late in the week.
Air conditioning will be needed.
And ice cubes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.